Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to install a 12-inch monitor for Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. So this is a 2011 Grand Picasso, and it comes with a standard radio with less options. So right now I have installed a touchscreen 12-inch monitor with all types of connectivity, USB, aux, navigation, Bluetooth. So I'll explain you how to install this into the Grand Picasso car. So you can see the standard auto radio of this stereo system of the Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. So as you can see, to remove the original standard stereo system, you have to have a special tool which will be inserted in these two holes, 1 2 3 4, to remove this. So this is the tool which we are using to remove the stereo, and this tool can be inserted just like that, and the other one like that. Just press in completely inside, so it's like really fixed, and then you can pull it out. So as you can see, I pulled out the stereo system, the standard stereo system from the socket. So this is the DIN 1 size, so I just remove it like that. I already removed the cables. So this is the ISO cable, and then you have the radio cable. So there are two cables going through the stereo car stereo. So this is the radio one, and this is the ISO one. So we need to get an adapter for the ISO cable for the Android system, and also an adapter for the radio FACRA. It's called FACRA cable, and the other one is called ISO cable. So both of them we need to get it connected to the standard cables. So this is the backside of the Android car stereo system. So I've already connected most of the cables. So you have the video in cable where you can connect a reverse camera, and you have a USB standard cable which is coming from the stereo system of the Citroen. Then you have the sound cables, that is for the subwoofer, aux, left, right, etc. And then you have this adapter. This is the adapter for, as I was talking about, like the ISO adapter, which will connect directly to the ISO cable coming from the car. And then you have a CAN bus kind of adapter, which will convert the signal coming from the car, like speed, lights and everything, and then send it to the Android system for processing. Then you have the radio. So the radio connector, there are two radio connectors. So one is this one and one is this one, so you can use any one of them. And then you have the GPS antenna cable for navigation system. So this will this comes with the Android stereo system, so you can just connect the antenna cable, and then you are good to go. So the ISO cable, the subwoofer cables, the USB cables, the camera input cable, the radio cable, and the navigation cable, navigation antenna cable. So that's all need to be connected. So right now I'm connecting the antenna cable and the radio cable and the USB cables. So the antenna cable has an adapter like this. This comes with the package, so it's easy to connect. So just connect the antenna cable. So I've connected the USB cable, and now I'll connect the ISO cable with the ISO cable adapter. So it's just like a plug and play. So this one goes inside like that, then it's connected automatically. So the ISO cable goes through the ISO cable adapter, the radio cable goes to the radio cable adapter, the antenna goes, antenna cable goes here. Check that every connection is tight and nothing is loose. And yeah, USB cables are also connected. Yeah, so that's it. So you can just go in and plug it in. Okay, after inserting it looks like this, and now you're ready to go. So let's see if it powers up. So it takes some time to power up. Yeah, okay, looks like it's booting. So it's very easy to install the Android touchscreen panel on a Citroen C4. It's not very difficult, especially at this special DIN 1 car stereo. It's very difficult to get a big monitor touchscreen. So let me get into a good angle. So this is how it looks like. So you have Bluetooth music, and yeah, you have navigation, you have a DAB radio, you have normal radio, you have AV in, audio in, you have CarPlay, you have Chrome, and you can also download different apps from Bluetooth from the Google Play Store, and then you can install new apps, and yeah, you're good to go. So there are settings. You can also, if you have different buttons on the, you can also input all the details, and you're ready to go. You can input all the driving wheel inputs and details. So you can include all the driving wheel, steering wheel inputs can be entered here, and then you can program it as per your requirements, like volume, increase the volume, radio, scanning, frequency, power, mode, mute, navigation, radio, etc. So it's quite simple and easy to install. So if you need anything, any spare parts or any information about the 12-inch monitor touchscreen, please write a description in the comments and I can get back to you. So have a nice day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.